Make a great choice today with the 2020 CR-V. This vehicle is powered by a all-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 1.5-liter engine and comes with a continuously variable transmission. This vehicle has less than 10,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, electronic stability control, alloy wheels, remote engine start, rear spoiler, active grille shutters, brake assist, traction control, stability control, remote keyless entry. Inside you'll find driver attention alert system, electronic messaging assistance with read function, heated front seats, security system, capless fuel filler system, low tire pressure warning, trip computer, multifunction display, child safety locks, power windows. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.
With Honda certified pre-owned vehicles, you know you're going to be taken care of. Thorough inspections, both limited and powertrain warranties, all provide the comfort you're looking for in a pre-owned vehicle. Stop by your local Honda dealer today to see why the Honda certified program is worth looking into.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.